Laying plastic mulch has many benefits, including weed suppression, the ability to alter soil temperatures by a few degrees, and disease prevention. The first step is to prepare the plot by tilling the soil, making sure it is flat, and then adding any soil amendments. If you are working in a high tunnel, you may need to back in first. Next, prepare the plastic layer and PTO shaft, as well as the drip tape if you are using it. You will need to adjust the discs carefully, which may take some trial and error. It is important for one person to pull the edges of the plastic under the wheels and hold on to it and the drip tape securely from when the layer is lowered all the way until the whole row is done.
All right.
If the plastic is not laid correctly from the start of the row, then stop, cut it, and start over, and slightly adjust the discs as needed. The type of soil can affect the process and how the discs need to be positioned. This demonstration was done in extremely sandy soil. A tiny change in the angle of the discs can make all the difference.
Yep. All right.
Make sure to drive the tractor straight and at a constant speed. Once the row is done, raise the plastic layer and cut the plastic. Then cut the drip tape, giving you some extra slack, so that later you can hook one end of the drip tape to irrigation and tie off the other end. You may need to add additional soil on the sides and ends of the plastic to make sure it stays in place. Black plastic can increase soil temperature by a few degrees, while white can decrease it. Some have found that green and red plastic can increase growing and ripening rates, but they may also increase weeds under the plastic. Although laying plastic has additional input costs, it can greatly reduce labor and herbicides while improving your growing rates and produce quality.